We're going to do a tutorial on ad text. How to put ad text files which you would see in your earnings at risk. You need to fix your revenue. Fix now. Okay, for the first thing you do is hit fix now, and then hit download. This is on Google for Google ad text. I will do another affiliate marketing one also together. So you download that file, which is called Ads.txt. Save it to your desktop. We're going to Dreamhost, so just log into your Dreamhost account. I've done that already, as you can see. And click on Manage WordPress. And then go down to Manage Files. Click on your domain name. And then click on New File. That little logo thing there. And click on New File, not folder, file. Put ads. Whoops. Your printer's just going to sleep, just wake it up. Ads. Ads.txt. That's the file. And that's all you put in. Dump it. Then click on that and go up to the top. It says edit. You just click on that. And you put it there. As you can see there, I've already done it. Just drop it in there. Now, if you've got others from other companies, which I'll show you, there's other companies do it also. This one's got quite a few more than Google. So you just make sure they're all straight. All the code's got to be straight, but when you drop them in to the thing, it'll straighten out anyhow. But don't have direct underneath or anything like that, or resell underneath. Make sure it's straight like that. And then you just drop copy. Just go back to Dreamhost. So you've dropped them all into there. And I'll bring this back up into Vision. So you can see it. And you just hit save. Once you save it, then close it. And then there's your ad text, ads.txt file is now loaded in your Dreamhost. Where is it? Earnings at risk. Fix now. That will disappear in a couple of days' time, and your earnings won't be at risk anymore. So that's how you do it. That's for Dreamhost. I've got one. We're done. That's how you do it. Video's finished. I hope I've helped you. Bye now.